Alright, we're going to do pork chops now. If Grandma will let us. First thing you want to do is bash these in. See? Loosen them up a hair. Put them in this bowl. Got one egg here, but I'm not going to use the yellow part. Just the white. Now we're going. Now we need a little oil. White pepper. All right. Got some more wine. Put a little bit of wine. This is real salty wine. You don't need to have nothing but just a capful. Corn starch. I'll sprinkle enough to go. That's enough. That's plenty. Go ahead and mix that all in. Alright, here goes the next step. Got them about 50%. I got them brown. I got about 50% done. Poured most of the oil out. Put a little flour, put a little flour. Flour and butter and a little bit of oil. Okay. What I got here is one of these Knorr vegetable cubes. This is very important. This is really good for these pork chops. I put 1 cube and I nuked it in 2 cups of water. Today's my birthday, so I decided to cook me some smothered pork chops. That's all there is to it. All we got to do is stick these here pork chops back into the doom. Don't that look pretty right there? Look at that. Alright, so we got our sweet potato. Here's our good old gravy. Gravy and pork chop. You can cut that meat with a spoon. That's it, babe. Good old pork chops over sweet taters.